Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. What are the most common foods that come to mind when you think of protein? Meat, eggs, protein powder, it's in the name, seafood, and more are the typical go-to protein sources. If you exclusively rely on these foods for your protein needs, your overall health may suffer. While these food sources contain protein, they may not be high quality or rich with beneficial nutrients. As it turns out, there are many protein sources that people often overlook. Today, we're going to be covering different protein sources that you can consume on the vegan diet. Let's dive into the lesson. There are many surprising foods that pack a powerful protein punch. While also being vegan friendly, these overlooked protein sources are often easier for the body to absorb. When the body can easily process foods, it can absorb the nutrients a lot quicker. For example, your body can absorb the protein from hemp seeds more easily than the protein from red meat. How much protein do you need? No matter what diet you subscribe to, it's always best to give your body the healthiest foods. The recommended daily allowance for protein is about 7 grams per 20 pounds of body weight. People who eat too much protein, especially if it comes from red meat or foods with saturated fats, can increase their risk of kidney stones, colon cancer, and heart disease. Focusing on plant-based protein options may not carry the same risks though. Artichoke hearts. Originating in the Mediterranean, artichoke hearts offer 4 grams of protein per cup. In addition to their protein content, they also offer vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, vitamin B6, magnesium, potassium, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. While fresh artichoke hearts are the best option, it takes several whole artichokes to yield 1 cup of artichoke hearts. There are many jarred varieties that you can purchase in stores. Lentils. Lentils are legendary legumes that come in several varieties. The most common lentils are green or red, and you can treat them both the same when it comes to cooking. Additionally, almost all lentil varieties offer similar nutritional values. They typically contain 115 calories, 8 grams of fiber, and 9 grams of protein per 1/2 cup of cooked lentils. Add them to a stew, soup, or transform them into a filling side dish. Seaweed. Surprisingly, seaweed is one of the best plant-based sources of protein, offering up to 9 grams per cup. While the protein amount varies between seaweed varieties, they generally offer similar amounts. There are many ways to consume seaweed, including seaweed salads, in poke bowls, in regular salads, or in the form of nori sheets. Keep in mind that you'll have to eat a lot of nori sheets to get 1 serving of protein. For all the cooks out there, consider blending nori sheets in dips, pestos, or dressings as a salt substitute. Green peas. Throughout the year, green peas are readily available in their frozen form. 1 cup of green peas offers up to 8 grams of protein. The great thing about green peas is that you can add them to soups, stews, pastas, salads, or fried rice dishes. Keep in mind that these are not snow peas or sugar snap peas. These are green peas. Spinach. Everyone can benefit from adding more leafy greens to their diet. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, or chard are key components to healthy diets as they offer vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. 1 cup of cooked spinach offers about 5 grams of protein. The best part about leafy greens like spinach is that they're low in calories. You can get protein from many vegan sources. You just have to know where to look. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.